In this video, I will tell you how to check what is taking up the most space on your disk in Windows and how to quickly find huge files or folders that are filling your storage. A lot of people have no idea why their disk suddenly becomes full, and manually searching through folders can take forever, so the easiest solution is using a free program called WinDERStat. First, open your browser and download WinDERStat from the official website. Once you are on the page, click Download and install the latest version available. After downloading the installer, launch it and go through the setup normally. You can leave all settings at default and just keep clicking Next until the installation is finished. Once the program opens, you will see a screen asking which disk you want to scan. You can either select your entire computer or only choose your C drive if that is where most of your files are located. After selecting the drive, click OK and let the scan begin. Depending on the size of your storage and how many files you have, this can take anywhere from a few seconds to several minutes. When the scan is complete, the program will show you a full breakdown of your storage usage. You will see folders, file sizes, and a colorful visual map at the bottom of the screen. The biggest files and folders will appear as the largest blocks, making them very easy to spot immediately. To make things even easier, click the size column so the largest folders move to the top of the list. In many cases, the biggest space wasters are old games, downloaded ISO files, large videos, backup folders, temporary files, program cache, or the downloads folder that people forget to clean for years. If you find something unnecessary, you can right-click it and either delete it directly or open its location first to double-check what it is. Just be careful with system folders. Avoid deleting files inside Windows, Program Files, or Program Files x86 unless you are absolutely sure what they do, because removing important system files can break Windows or installed programs. Overall, WinDERStat is one of the easiest ways to understand exactly what is filling your disk and clean up space without guessing. Thanks for watching. I would be very happy if you would become one of the subscribers of this channel. Check out the suggested videos and also leave a like under this video. See you soon.